A long time from now, when somebody composes the historical backdrop of humankind, the rise of machine learning business value hailed as a significant achievement and milestone. ML, a part of artificial intelligence (AI), empowers PCs to gain from data without being explicitly modified and programmed. Today, ML has set itself up as the way to unlocking the incentive from client data. Netflix's movie recommendations, Facebook's ability to recognize our faces, Google's self-driving vehicles are primarily early instances of ML-powered solutions. In any case, ML and AI are still in a nascent stage, with most of the industry pioneers battling to cut through the promotion and set straight priorities for their organizations. Given the generally untapped capability of this advancement, the accompanying steps can fill in as a critical strategic roadmap for building machine learning business value that helps make an unmistakable incentive for your business. Fabricate data texture for your organization. Regardless of living in a data-driven economy, we don't give information the regard that it merits. The possibly time information is viewed as a resource is the point at which a calamitous information break happens. At that point, it turns into our most significant possession. Creation of data fabric, an environment that would give consistent, well-governed data integration across the enterprise, is one of the most critical strides for deploying machine learning solutions. Recruit the correct talent. A typical ML human capital methodology is to recruit unicorn data scientists with doctoral certificates, extraordinary analytical ability, exceptional computer programming skills, and splendid business insight. In all actuality, it isn't easy to locate these mythical creatures. They are known as unicorns since they are illusions of our creative mind. At its core, ML is a group activity, and a cross-utilitarian team containing a domain expert, an analyst, a statistician, and a data architect can achieve considerably more than 3 unicorn data scientists put together. Welcoming the right external talent on board and making inward talent are prerequisites of machine learning business value across the enterprise. Establish a lab environment. ML is a logical and scientific field, and science occurs in a research facility. Effective and quick prototyping requires a lab environment with admittance to all enterprise data assets, cutting-edge insightful analytic tools, and the capacity to run champion-challenger tests. With quite a setup, the cross-functional team can rapidly move from characterizing the business issue to leading analytic tests, and eventually building up a minimum lovable challenger machine learning business value model with more prominent prediction power or more profound consumer insights. Operationalize effective pilots. When the effective pilots are recognized, the following legitimate advance is to convey them in client-confronting business procedures and tasks. It is the place where everything hits real and shockingly dissolves rapidly. Utilizing inappropriate technology infrastructure framework, lousy software engineering practices, and absence of model governance transforms even an extraordinary model into an outright catastrophe. The rise of container platforms has empowered bundling ML tasks into normalized units for advancement, shipment, and deployment. Fruitful deployment and operationalization of a few critical ML models will gather the fundamental momentum for more extensive deployment across the organization. Scale up for enterprise-wide adoption. Value creation inside an organization takes various structures. However, toward the day's end, it is tied in with making critical business measures better, quicker, or less expensive. Every business executive should direct a comprehensive audit of their critical cycles and recognize potential opportunities for supervised and unsupervised ML algorithms. When a rundown of potential applications distinguished, new initiatives should organize and prioritize based on steady incremental business value and potential client benefits. Drive social and cultural change. At long last, we need an authoritative and organizational culture that grasps a significant move from old-style factual techniques to current machine learning business strategy. This change cultivated by a ceaseless learning culture where the team urge to grasp their inner geek and continue updating their skill set by learning new programming dialects such as R and Python. Besides, executive leadership groups ought to advance information-driven dynamic culture through healthy dissemination of data and knowledge across the enterprise. Conclusion: we are seeing a gigantic tectonic shift in the business scene with the rise and operationalization of machine learning business strategy for making more prescient models, deeper consumer insights, and better client experience. Execution and creation of an ML strategic roadmap guide is the way to unlock significant business worth and help build up a long-term competitive advantage for your business.